Well, David gave me this lovely job of cleaning this door that he did such a good job on. So I'm going to put a little bit of CJ's Flux Remover. Not much because it suds up like crazy. And then I'm going to put some water. You can be generous with the water, that's okay. Now, he gave me this big, remember if you've been here before, I just, use a little brush. He gave me this thing to do. So I'm gonna try it. Whoa. Okay, here we go, guys. Are we ready for this?
So how do you feel about that, Jeannie? Does it feel like it shined it up, or?
I think so. Maybe I should have it more flat.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. I'm just going to wipe it down a little bit. It kind of sprayed. So you probably got wet over there, David.
I don't think it got any on the camera, so we're okay.
Okay. All right, now.
All right, so I guess I should mention that we got the cleaning brushes from that Bear hardware supply that advertises on YouTube all the time. So that's where I got those from. And then the that little offset drill is from Harbor Freight Tools. So don't you think that might be something that would save you a lot of polishing time?
Sure, if it does, I'm all for that. Well, thanks for joining me in cleaning up this window with my new tool. So this has been Wisdom Wednesday, and this is Jeannie in the Glass Studio. Okay, so be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, comment, and join our channel, and we'll see you next time.